Hey guys, this is Epson Expression Home XP5200. I'm going to show you how to print document from your laptop to this printer. To print your document, first of all, you need to make sure the printer and laptop are connected together via Wi-Fi network or with USB cable. Printer and laptop are connected using Wi-Fi network. Now to print your document, so go to your file, open up the files, then you need to scroll to wherever you save your document. The document I want to print out is PDF document. So scroll down to the list. This is the document I want to print out. This is 3 pages document. Now to print this document out, what you need to do is you need to select Ctrl+P from the keyboard, or you select printer icon on top. Now the next you need to do, you need to scroll down and select the correct printer. Epson XP5200 is available and ready. You select on it. Now you select how many copies, select how many pages, select the color. If you want to print on both sides, now I want to print on both sides. Scroll down and select print on both sides, long edge. Now this document is 3 pages, but I want us to print page 1 to 2. So select 1/2 for us to print page 1 to 2. Then you wait and you will see the document you want to print out. Then you scroll down, select more option. You select the correct paper. You have the options to select actual size. This is the actual size. So you can increase it, likewise decrease it by selecting the up and down to increase the numbers. This is actual size 100%. Then you select page sheet. Then you select quality. The maximum is 600 dpi, so it's currently in 300 dpi. Then you select print. Here we go. We're printing this double-sided. Printing complete. So this is how to print your document from this laptop to this printer. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.